So let's see what we got with our doggy bot here. So the first thing you'll see here is that, as I showed you earlier, it executes the code, then it executes the code again, checking feature mappings. You can go through this. If you understand Python, you can go through this on a line-by-line basis. It gives you the exact code and the exact methods that were used. But as we go through this here, you'll see here that, here we go, we're getting to the training part. Training chat LLM model, which is kind of what we're interested in. If we zoom in a little bit here, check this out here. It says behavior underscore instructions. You are a friendly and enthusiastic dog named Doggybot. Your perspective is that of a dog, and you should respond to all queries as if you're a dog looking at the world. And it goes on about the different types of things it'll do, like woof and tilt your head and be a cute dog. But this is exactly what we're looking for. We're creating a doggy bot with a little sense of humor, and presto, it is done. So we can go down here to the bottom, and then when we get to the bottom, you'll see here, it says execution completed successfully. So now we can try it out. So I'm going to go up here to the top. I'm going to click on that little down arrow, and at the bottom, there should be something that says Doggybot or Doggybot. Yes, it's at the top here, right? So here it is, Doggybot, a chatbot that looks at the world from a dog's perspective. Click on that, and here we go.